Namaskara. Hi all. Good evening. I'll start by telling a story. I gave an interview. The interview was of it had 9 rounds. Should I call it interview or should I call it as something like an investigation or a interrogation? I'm not sure. It was an interview of 8 rounds. Then in the last round, I was offered an offer letter, and I was asked, "Where do you see yourself after 5 years?" The next week, lockdown, COVID lockdown. Okay, no one came to office for 3 years. Now I want to see myself in office, but no one comes to office. And they'll say, no, we can't come. Okay. And one day HR calls me to take an interview, and I go. And HR comes before the interview to my cabin, and there is a wedding invitation in my hand. And I ask her, where do you want to see after 5 years of your marriage? To HR. HR, she's surprised. Yes, that's a question that HR asks us, right? Our customer asks us, where do you see yourself after 5 years? So this is the thought line, but this thought line is something very useful for us engineers. So my name is Ravi Surya. I'm a test engineer, and I work in the role of principal test architect. So one thought, what I want to share with you all is, because today I saw a lot many people are like juniors and over between 1 and 6 years. So if you have test automation in your place, in your pipeline, ask this question: is there any test failing in your pipeline? If yes, don't try to make that test turn into green. Means don't have a thought process of, I want to make that test pass. Okay, that's a good intention, but this will not help you in the longer run. Okay, a test failing in your test environment or in your area is telling something about the environment or the code or something that we might miss on production to catch. So investigate some time to know why that failing tests are appearing. See the pattern, and also see the pattern in the tests that are passing. And what you can do is introduce an error or entropy into that test pipeline, which will make that passing test fail. If it does not fail, there is something problem again. So failing tests are very important. So as a kids, our parents, teachers, everyone are pushing us to succeed, pass. Okay, there is no room to fail. The same thought process also is going into the test. Pass. No, give a room to fail and learn why the failure of a test. This is a useful drill that we should include in the pipeline. If there's a failing test, that's a test which is helping you. Invest your time there. Okay. So this is my thought process. Where do you see your test after 15 hours in the next 15 hours? Still failing, that's telling you something. Be it a flaky network, flaky GUI, or a flaky backend or something, okay? That's telling you something. Okay? Learn that, document in your wiki or into your KB of your organizations, it will help someone else. Okay? This has helped a lot of my teams where all I worked. I work for Aadhaar and UP system. Means I was one of the founding team members. So it helped a lot there. Definitely it will help in your organization. Treat failing test as something beneficial and useful to you. Okay? Where do you see your failing test in next 15 hours? That's a thought line, and that's my talk. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi Surya, for a wonderful short talk. Next.